Tipping in Japan. Alright, leaving Vancouver, going to Japan. Getting the hell out of here.
J-Lo to Japan.
Find a new place to hang this noose. String me up from atop these roofs. Tie it tight so I won't get loose. Truth is you can stop and stand. Run myself out and no one cares. Dug the trench out, lay down there with a shovel up out of reach somewhere. Yeah, someone pour it in. Make it a dirt dance floor again. Saying prayers and stop it out when they bring that chorus in. I bleed it out, digging deeper just to throw it away. I bleed it out, digging deeper just to throw it away. I bleed it out, digging deeper just to throw it away. Just to throw it away. Just to throw it away.
Very scared. Just watched Lost. Hey. Over top of the islands.
Me knows he works. Fuck, this hurts. I won't lie. Doesn't matter how hard I try. Afterwards don't mean a thing, and I know that I won't be satisfied. So why try ignoring him? Make it a dirt dance floor again. Saying prayers to stop it out when they bring that chorus in. I bleed it out, digging deeper just to throw it away. I bleed it out, digging deeper just to throw it away. I bleed it out, digging deeper just to throw it away. Just to throw it away. Just to throw it away. I bleed it out. I've opened up these skies. I'm like a rice sauce. I pull myself so far.
Thank you. How do I say thank you again? Arigato. Alright. So we just arrived in Japan. It's Japanimations. It's really clean. It's beautiful weather. There's some nice cars. Looks good. Oh, we need to go over there. So yeah, we're just figuring it out.
I bleed it out.
Good morning. What's up? Downtown Tokyo. Just going to get a cheeky coffee. Everyone else is sleeping. It looks like we got the day here. So we're gonna do some shopping.
Uncle Marty, we're going to see what the boys are up to. 8 a.m. Tokyo.
Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger.
Can only make us stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much longer. Man, I've been waiting all night now. That's how long I've been on ya.
Johnny doesn't have any brothers.
I need you right now. I need you right now. Let's get lost tonight. You could be my black Kate Moss tonight. Play secretary on the boss tonight. And you don't give a fuck what they all say, right? Awesome, the Christian and Christian Dior. Damn, they don't make them like this anymore. I ask, cause I'm not sure.
Where are we going, Johnny?
Where are we going? Harajuku.
So go ahead, go nuts, go ape shit. Especially in my pastel on my plate shit. Act like you can't tell who made this new gospel, homie. Take 6, take this, haters. That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer.
Alright. We're in, I don't know, but going shopping.
2番線ドアが閉まります。
Fresh.
ご注意ください。
Me like it. I don't know if you got a man or not. If you made plans or not. If God put me in your plans or not. I'm tripping, this drink got me saying a lot. But I know that God put you in front of me. So how the hell could you front on me? It's 1,000 yous, it's only one of me. I'm tripping, I'm caught up in the moment, right? Cause it's Louis Vuitton dine night. So we gon' do everything the kind like.
Just cruising through the shopping district, and there's tons of people everywhere, going every direction.
Faster, stronger.
That don't kill me, can only make me stronger.
Shopping.
I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now. Cause I can't get much stronger. Man, I've been waiting all night, man. That's how long I've been on ya.
ご存知でしょうか。テレビの CM などでご覧ください。新聞などで
I need you right now. You know how long I've been on ya. Since Prince was on Apollonia. Since OJ had isotoners. Don't act like I never told ya. Don't act like I 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 told ya. Baby, you're making it.
Faster, stronger.
That don't kill me. Can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up, man.
You know what's awesome about Japan? They love boobs. Boob pillow. Let's party. Brody, Yahoo! Amazing. Amazing.
You know how long I've been on ya. Since Prince was on Apollonia. Since OJ had ice